Hello teacher, my name is Oscar Orjuela and I will now present the development of the Lagrange interpolation method exercise. The objective of this labor is find the polynomial that pays to the given set of points using Lagrange interpolation and demonstration graphically using GeoGebra that each point belongs to the construct polynomial. The given points set A, set B, construct the Lagrange polynomial for set A for the points, to calculate L0, L1, L2, construct the polynomial B, and construct the Lagrange polynomial for set B from the points, calculate L0, L1, L2. And this is the graphics of the GeoGebra for set A and set B. Thank you.